Good afternoon. I start with lockdown. After lockdown due to COVID-19, industrial and service sector almost came to lockdown, but the sector which remained open was agriculture, food processing, and essential services. This resulted in about 5% workforce, which remains floating between rural and urban, semi-urban sector, was automatically shifted to agriculture sector, which was open. This has resulted in every grain of rabi crop harvesting and storing in godowns, as well as a very good sowing of summer and kharif crops, which have substantially increased against same period of last year. Good water levels have also helped. We expect increased kharif crops of soya, groundnut, cotton, and other oilseeds. Mustard, I come to mustard. Harvesting of mustard crops was delayed due to rains in February and March. Some was harvested and was crushed between 15th February to 14th April. During 25th March and 14th April, all mandis were closed and all harvested mustard went to godowns. After 15th April, when mandis opened, oil mills are getting full quantities of mustard seeds and we are running at good capacities. NAFED has been aggressive in Haryana and have purchased about 260,000 tons of mustard. In other states, they are rarely buying and are expected to buy aggressively from today, that is 1st May onwards. Let us see how much they buy. Mustard crop. On 4th March in Jaipur, SCA had estimated mustard crop at 7.8 million tons and a carry forward of 5 lakh tons as carry in. Now, looking to arrivals in mandis, and some hailstorms during March and February, I am revising it down to 7.6 million tons from 7.8 million tons. About NAFED. Mustard is harvested between 15th February and 15th April and sown during 15th September to 15th December. Period of September to January is off-season for mustard availability, and NAFED should sell mustard during this period and finish by end Jan, so that entire godowns are empty for next year purchases and mills get mustard during off-season and consumer get oil regularly. Last year, NAFED, region better known to them, did not sell during off-season of September to December and then aggressively sold in January to March period when either crop was maturing or being harvested. This was a blunder by NAFED and we will request NAFED and policymakers to sell in future during off-season and complete selling positively by January end, so that markets are not depressed during harvesting period. Bhavantara scheme. It is a better scheme than NAFED buying at MSP. Farmer get MSP as difference between market price and MSP is transferred to his account as direct bank transfer, and after seasonal overflow, markets stabilize and government need not to pay any money. SCA has given repeated representations to policymakers in this regard. APMC tax. I'm again repeating our demand to abolish APMC tax on oilseeds, which is an unnecessary burden on farmers. When we are talking about Make in India and making India self-reliant, this unnecessary tax should be abolished without delay. That is all what I have to say today. Thank you all.